Little Pine State Park. After the flooding, that's how high the water was. It's halfway up the dam. Wow. Didn't make it up here though. Oh, the water was all the way up to here. At least it's muddy up to here. All down in through there, backed up. This is kind of by where the eagle's nest is, but on the other side from the road. Looking over at the swimming area, it was hard to see, and I definitely couldn't get video. It was going to be really, it was going to show what was going on over there. But currently they're working to clean up. The swimming area looks like the water made it probably close to the bathrooms and stuff up there. I don't know if I'll be able to get a shot or not. This was all backed up here. Somebody else has been back here too, because I see some dog prints. Got a turtle right there. I don't know how visible it's going to be on camera over there, but that's about as far as what I can zoom in and show you just how high the water was. I can't really see much over there, but it looks like a lot of stuff was underwater in the swimming area. And that looks to be what they're cleaning up now. This was all underwater. There's the trees where the bald eagles are. I mean, the mud goes all the way up into there. So it's definitely bad back here. Not sure if the camera does it justice, but that's got to be 20 to 30 feet. I mean, I'm not good at guessing how high water was. Them trees right there is almost to the top of them. Holy crap. And this is a week later. I mean, literally, the rain stopped about a week to this time. So, like, this is 7 days. Here we are getting ready to come down into the back field, and that's a big propane tank from somebody's house that must have floated away and ended up here. This looks like about all the higher the water went right here. And this is still the top of the first hill. There's still a whole nother hill to go down. Wow. This is the point to where you got this little goat trail right here that'll cut up in, or you head down to the field. This whole field was underwater. Wow. There's a lot of debris down there. A lot of debris. Wow. Yeah, I don't think we're going to try and make that. Not right now, at least. Wow. Well, if you enjoy the video, like and subscribe, all that fun stuff. I might try and get a little bit more video as we head back, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to because there's so many leaves on the trees, it's hard to get anything on the other side. So this might be the last clip. This seems like it goes back for a ways, like all the way back, possibly to the archery range and the shooting range. Wow. That's down the hill still to even get in the field. Wow, it was a lot worse than I thought. I'm not sure if you can, again, from the video, understand the scope of this, but that's the swimming area back there. And it was completely underwater. Maybe up even into the bathrooms up there. I couldn't get a good look because all the leaves on the trees, but it's higher than I've ever seen it.